Nanababo kabalan kumusta kay po ako iluwi season abe kay ngin wife ko kasi it's a Sunday evening ne. The time is around 8 o'clock in the evening and the kids are taken care of ne. Nanong masanting po ng makanining Aldo, nanong nga makanining oras ne. Of course, it's time for us to relax ne. So munta tamong po ngini kay metong lugar bakan ta itamong kalupatamong bis. It's a time for us to relax. So abayan nyo kami po, tuyanan nyo kami tara. This is how it looks like kining along Olonga Pugapan Road na ning City San Fernando, Pampanga ne. Maka-relax lang mo naman din ning nanaos na karani parol, Christmas light, uy tapin ne. Atin pa mo rin mas maka-relax na puntalan. Apin ning puntalan ni abayan nyo kami po. So guys, we're finally here ne. Achuta mo po kining Body Zone. So it's a wellness spa and alternative health therapy center. Itang second part na sinabi ko medyo uli ko pabalon nung nanong gagawin da rin eh. Pero itang wellness spa, balong-balo ko na nung nanareta. So it's a massage center, okay, but Mita, when you go to a massage, you relax. So tala, let's get in. Hello, sir.
We've been expecting you po.
Yes po, hello. Thank you so much.
Hi, ma'am.
Wait, po. Alright, look at that. Sabi no, welcome, Malaos Go Where in Pampanga.
So, meron din po tayong mga usual na go-to sa mga spa.
Okay, yes.
Like Swedish,
Yes.
dry,
Yes,
mga
the
ganyan
usual.
po. And then meron po tayo ng mga scrub po. Kung bitin ka sa massage,
Yes.
meron din body scrub
Okay.
with massage na po yun.
Okay.
May packages po tayo.
Okay.
And then meron din po tayong waxing na ina-offer. And then other services po natin. So pwede po kayo magpag-hair candle,
Yep.
manicure, pedicure.
Totoo. Food spa meron din.
Yes po, ayan po, royal foot. So, pwede po siyang i-try. And then, ito na po yung sinasabi natin na meron tayong therapy for illnesses and acupuncture po.
Is this real? Acupuncture?
Yes po. So, kung mapapansin niyo po, meron po siya nung asterisk natin.
Okay,
kasi
yes.
wala po tayong in-house acupuncturist. So,
so,
for schedule po siya.
There you go. Usually naman kasi
Yes.
correct.
Para
so,
po-
ito yung needle, no? Yung talagang-
Yes po.
So that's actually guys, this is what I've been tang bala mo interested kung I experience in acupuncture pero siguro next time
Yes
we'll
po.
do a schedule with the therapist,
Opo.
no? Try natin.
And then, ito po,
Hmm?
ito na po yung inaano natin na yung liposage po and selenite massage.
When we say lipo or itang eliminating fat kaya tamong tamin we go to a parang aesthetic spa where we contour our bodies using machines. Pero Kenny, in-emphasize ng ma'am nandun na guys. So they use hands, mano-mano talaga. So, interesting. First time to hear.
Pag meron po tayong event, mga birthday, yung mga nakalagay po dito,
Yes.
may lounge po siya dun sa taas. So, pwede po siya.
Interesting.
Yes po.
So, gaano kalaki yung sir? Yung sa second floor?
Parang same size din po nito.
Okay.
And then, pwede po siyang i-fit po para maging lounge. And then, pwede rin naman po dito sa loob if marami po talaga yung dala po dito.
Like this one, so sabi niya kanina, baby
Baby shower.
Yes po, baby shower.
spa, bridal spa party,
Yes po.
teen spa party.
and birthday party.
Yes po. Welcome to Body Zone!
Exciting laret ang amenities na pala Kenny.
Services.
And services.
Oo,
So
oo.
ito. What's more exciting guys is of course, we're gonna try itang karelang service. Massage and what's that again?
Liposage.
Liposage. First
oo.
time. So sabi namin Sir Nandine, so you can use this as a quick fix.
Yes.
Potang
Ikaw punta na party.
yeah.
Ano pa?
You don't do it every day.
Every day,
Ne?
yes.
Pero
For special occasions.
yes, beneficial ya mo rin po tangalakan time like for example mag-gym or makanta. Anyway, so enough with the talk guys, we're gonna get inside and ita lawenta na rin kaya lang kay. Punta
Nakunta
na.
na rin taba.
Tara, lumta na. Sige po. There we go. Yeah, diba? See that smile. So ito na guys, I'm just gonna change. See you in a while.
spots niya is nandito sa may bandang taas. So parang ang shape ng butt niya is pag ganyan. So what I will try to do is ito po, is dadali natin dyan. Magiging ganyan ang itsura. Let's see. Bukas na natin ha. Okay. Oh. Good.
Lumulutang. Parang weightless. Parang, maybe that's the feeling pinpotang stress ka na. I mean, you feel really heavy, you feel really, that's what you feel when you're stressed. Pero when you loosen up, you feel more lighter. What an experience. Wow. Mukhang super So,
First time
wow,
ko
actually nandin lupa ko talagang stress violin ng pianine Pero, ngayon glooming Sana liya mo king light effect there. But anyway, guys, ipapakit ko kaya kayo nandin those are the actual, those are the demo, but not the entire process So we would like to clarify po ito Syempre, for the sake or the benefit na ning business, we have to keep some of the process and procedures secret para karela. It's for you guys to find out. Sinabi nila kayo retang benefits, sinabi nila kayo retang advantages why you need to try this And again, yung satisfaction guys is for you to find out. So ito po, brimi pong pakilala kayo ining body zone. So this is located at Gopiao building natin pong first level at saka second level. It's open from 2 p.m. up until 12 midnight. Monday to Sunday. Nung kayo po guys, malapit kayo kayong San Fernando area, Dolores area, near St. Jude or San Agustin. Rin nila yung mas masanting magitamong sugi You need to check out Body Zone guys. If you want relaxation. And at the same time, not just relaxation. Another thing na we would like to express kayo guys is may empower kami. Not just not just satisfaction po tangay, pero mas satisfy ka po tang balo mo nung nanggewada. Potang mas educated ka, potang balo mo na detang gewada ini, rin na rin maging benefit kaya ka. Mas bala mo, mas masaya ka pa siya makanta. So again guys, thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out. Bye. Pogi na naman